Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today me and G are going on a little kayaking slash camping adventure, and I'm gonna take you guys along with us because, you know, I love you guys. And I've only been camping once in my life, and I know that probably comes to, can you hear those birds? Wow. I know that probably comes as a shock to a lot of you since I do live in British Columbia, which is one of the most sought after camping places in the world, I believe. Maybe I'm just making that up, but I'm pretty sure that's true. But yeah, I never really went on many camping trips. So I'm gonna be making up for that today. We're gonna be going to Twin Island, and apparently you can only get there by kayak or boat or paddleboard. So we're gonna be renting some kayaks, and I think it's about a 2-hour kayak ride there. So that should be a lot of fun. And then we're just gonna spend the night overnight, and I don't know, maybe do some face masks, make some food, just relax and unwind, because being in nature is one of the best ways to relieve stress and anxiety naturally. And the weather has been so beautiful and sunny lately in Vancouver. I swear this is one of the best summers for weather. It even got up to 41 or 42 degrees Celsius a couple weeks ago, which I don't think, no, since I've lived in Vancouver, it's never got that hot. I don't even think it's got above the mid 30s. So I have been in heaven. I know a lot of people don't like the heat, but I thrive in the heat. I'm like an iguana, and I'm just so much happier and positive when the weather is sunny. So I truly believe that I am meant to live somewhere hot and sunny, but for now I live in one of the rainiest cities in the world, but that's okay because, you know, part of it is a mindset, and I guess without the rain, the scenery wouldn't be so green. And speaking of ways to reduce stress and anxiety naturally, being creative and having a creative outlet and learning something new is one of the best ways to change your mindset and just kind of get you out of your head for a while. And I know when you're not in the best headspace, it can be a bit hard to get creative. However, once you get in that creative flow, it's like it takes your mind off of things. It gives you an outlet to express yourself. And I just think it's one of the most important things for our mental health, just being creative in whatever way that you want. So I want to give a big thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online community with thousands of classes to choose from. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, they have classes for every skill level. So I did their class called The Art of Time-Lapse and Hyperlapse Photography by Ian Norman. So now I can capture beautiful sunset time lapses this summer, and I want to do some time-lapse photography of my plants blooming. There's no ads on their website, and they're always launching new premium classes. So the first 1,000 of my subscribers who click the link down below in my description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. And yeah, you can start exploring your creativity today. So let's get on with the video. Sorry for how loud it is on my balcony, but I had to show you my tomato plant because it's been producing some beautiful tomatoes. They are so sweet and so delicious. The best tasting tomatoes in the whole wide world. Then over here I have some rosemary, some sage. Most of my herbs have been dying because my balcony gets direct sun and it's just been so hot. Even if I water them every day, they just aren't doing so good, but I'm so proud of my tomatoes. Oh yeah, and I wanted to show you guys this because you might have just seen it in my background here. This is the Juve Red Light Therapy panel. This is their solo version, and this is my new favorite little health device. I've really been into doing red light therapy lately. It's really good for so many health conditions. I'm mainly doing it for skin, but I am reading this book called The Ultimate Guide to Red Light Therapy, Anti-Aging, Fat Loss, Muscle Gain, Performance Recovery, Brain Optimization. So I'm reading this, and I really want to do a video for you guys on red light therapy, but I have been loving this. I've been doing it every day. Just turn it on, and You got the red light. So this has red LED light. It also has near infrared light. You can just do it with one or the other. And yeah, this is it. So I might as well show you my camping outfit. This is actually my everyday outfit because I've worn it every day pretty much for the past couple weeks. This is from Aritzia and I love it. These are the Wilfred Free sweat shorts in lavish lavender, and this is the TNA laid back tank. Got it in a size bigger to give it a bit more oversized look. I know it's very, very wrinkly right now, but just ignore that. And a little tip, whenever you have a casual outfit like this, throw on a gold necklace or a pair of gold hoops and it instantly makes it look classy and put together. So yeah, I just wanted to show you my outfit. All right, let's get camping.
Hey. Hello. We had a little sea lion friend here.
Okay, so we just manifested the best spot in the house. Prime location is the only location that hasn't been taken up. Look at that view.
Oh, I'm so happy right now.
Yay! So we have our tent set up with some fairy lights, and look at this view. Isn't that so beautiful? So this is a little camping food haul. So I'll show you some of our favorite snacks. We got the Hornby bars, the chocolate chip peanut butter. These are both mine and G's favorite bars. These are so good. Super snacks, or super snaps. It's like these little seaweed things and they're stuffed with seeds. So yummy. These prana chick choc things. We weren't too crazy about these, but good little snack. Just tastes like granola. Our favorite Nooch Pop. This is organic popcorn with nutritional yeast on it. Hummus, basil and garlic, the Habib's hummus. This is the best. These are the best brown rice snaps, the vegetable flavor. These are the best brown rice cakes, the Lundberg thin stackers. So good. Tastes so good with hummus on it. And then since we're camping, we're doing these little marshmallows to make the experience more real. And then we got some Badam matcha lemongrass chai tea and athletic greens for in the morning. And then G brought this fresh oat milk so we can make the matchas.
This should hopefully be like a really easy camping meal.
Yay!
But look how much dill I have.
Yummy. A little bit
off.
A little bit off.
Says, I feel like only me and you would bring dill on a camping trip.
It smells so good.
I know, it's going to be so good in the tzatziki. I'm like in my element right now. So happy.
Gotta get your engagement ring in there.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
The tzatziki, you're gonna put dill, cucumber,
Yeah,
and then some yogurt.
I've had coconut yogurt that I just brought at home, and then I already had green onions, bit of garlic. Yeah, that's about it.
And cucumber and Ayurveda probably cools you down, right?
Oh, hon, this is the pit of dream.
Look at this view, you guys. Doesn't get much better than this. Mountains, ocean, and delicious food.
Yay.
And beautiful friends.
Oh my god, Seth, we can use it for our eyes later.
Oh yeah, for our facial. Multi-use vegetable, camping tip 101. Multi-use vegetables. You can use it on your skin and in your meal.
Yeah, don't bring bear spray, bring a
Cucumber. You guys, look how delicious that turned out.
It is, honestly.
So good. We're just gonna eat it like soup.
Do we have to cook anything else?
No, we can just have that. Tzatziki soup. Yum. We can even dip a cucumber into that. Or dip a cracker. Or dip the popcorn into it.
Okay, that was genius, wasn't it? What a great idea.
Soggy popcorn. I got our pile of veggies.
Makeshift plate.
And now what are we putting on?
We're doing an Italian seasoning to go with our great tzatziki. And our Mexican corn wraps.
Oh, that's right.
We're really eating around the world.
Yeah, we really are.
A little bit of everything. That's a barbecue though, isn't it?
I'm gonna cut the mango. That's my one and only job. Oh, so cut it like this. A little bit of dirt mixed in, but that's okay. Right? We're just building our immune system with those microbes.
Seasoned with mud.
But go like this. So here is the corn on the cob. This side got a little bit toasty.
Instagram versus reality.
Yeah, Instagram versus reality. And dinner is served. We have some tortillas, some tzatziki, grilled veggies, mango, and hummus. So we're gonna make little camping wraps. Can you guys see the little seal?
Oh,
Look at him! The pit bull of the ocean. Doesn't that look like a pit bull?
yeah.
So cute! So we're all set up in the tent now. That is the best view on the island. Okay, so here's a little camping skincare haul. I bought this smaller version of the Fit Glow Beauty Makeup Cleansing Oil. So I just massage that in and then wash it off with some of the water. And then we're doing sheet masks tonight. So I have the 100% pure anti-acne sheet mask. And then these little blue Beautifly samples. Perfect for travel. They're rose hyaluronic serum and rose hip oil serum. And then just a little sample of the Fit Glow Vita Rich Cream. So you can just bring little samples, then you don't have to carry all your skincare, and you can still do all your organic skincare routine. And over here we have G with her mask on. Hello. Look at that.
Do you even?
Beautiful,
Mother,
darling.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Darling, it's fashion.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Oh my god, you look so creepy. This is how we camp.
So until we take the masks off,
Okay.
You have to speak in my accent, and I
Oh,
have
bollocks,
to speak in
really?
your... No, I'm not from London. I feel like I can do you so perfectly. Hey guys. Hey guys, so we've got some beautiful masks on. And...
Is that really how I sound?
These are 100% organic. Bye now. See you in another video. Bye.
Okay, that's right. Okay, I'll try to do northern.
Okay.
It's just so hard because I was just want to do a London accent.
I know.
I know.
I know.
I know. But that's London
That's
too.
Hermione Granger. Like,
Yeah.
I could do that accent as well.
Here, wait. So say something again and then.
Right. Why don't we do like statement and repeat?
All right. Okay. Why don't we do statement and repeat? It's still London.
I need to start with like a real simple sentence. Okay.
Way.
No, way. Get
Way.
down. Roll it up. Start low. Go high.
Way.
Yes.
Way.
Yes. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god. Yeah.
Way.
Yes.
We are.
Now, when we say the word campaign, you miss the G off the end. So,
Okay.
Campaign.
Campaign.
Yes.
Campaign.
Okay. Put it all together.
Okay. We are Oh, wait. We are camping.
Yes! That's so good! That was amazing! I'm so proud of you!
Yay!
That was, yeah, okay, perfect. Let's
Okay.
graduate.
Yeah.
Okay, say, bless his cotton socks.
Bless his cotton socks. That almost just sounded like Canadian. Bless his cotton socks.
You'll get lower. Bless his cotton socks.
Bless his cotton socks.
His cotton socks.
Bless his cotton socks. Bless his cotton socks. What does that mean?
Like, just bless his cotton socks. You don't do that. Just like bless someone's cotton socks.
No. Because most socks are polyester nowadays.
This is true. Organic cotton.
Yeah, or organic cotton. Organic hemp socks. Bless his organic hemp socks. Made with recycled flax seeds.
Yes. Fully biodegradable.
They're so biodegradable that as you walk, they dissolve.
They're so biodegradable that you can't even see them.
You look like such gremlins. I kind of feel like I look like the Cat in the Hat right now. So it's the next morning and we're gonna set up on our kayaks. We're just packing them up. Just gonna have a drink of water.
You've got all of that.
Yes.
Guys, give this video 1,000 likes if you want to smash Sarah's orb.
She was looking through my phone yesterday and there's like 100 pictures of it. She's
Can't
just
get
so
enough.
pretty.
Guys, she slept next to it. There's so much she loves this thing.
But it's beautiful, you have to admit. Whatever.